Jesus, that was shocking. So you want to buy cheap shocks, do ya? Well, I got something that'll shock you. Today, we're riding shockless. Pretty much like a trampoline. Reckon I could do a backflip? Oh, g'day guys, it's Sam here from Built Not Bought. Now today, what are we doing? Yeah, it's not my usual kind of video, but bugger it. I've actually sent my shocks over east to get re-valved. You know, now that the car's finished, I know how much it weighs, what I'm kind of doing with it. So I've just sent it back to Mike from King's to give it a bit of a tweak. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to show the difference it makes not having shocks in your four-wheel drive. Or this is almost an example of people that have shocks that are worn out, that the oil's come out, you get your leaking seals in that, and this is what they're gonna ride like. So it's just a demonstration, bit of a funny video as well, as to what happens when you don't have good quality shocks. So without further ado, see how this goes, eh? Oh my God. I'm gonna roll. I'm gonna be honest and say I did not expect this. It was incredibly difficult to drive this thing, and for what it is, it should have got up this way easier than that. Shocks definitely play a big role when going off-road. That is insane, look at it. Oh dear, I regret watching this now. So I've been on the road 2 minutes and I've just done a battery check because everyone knows my batteries come loose, but also more damage. Power steering reservoir's fallen off. So there's another reason that you need your shocks on there, so your engine bits don't fall off. Oh man. What else broke? So I'm thinking another way to look at this is kind of a sway test. So I want to find some sticks or something. This can will do. And mark out a little course. We got a rock here. Oh, that's a big one. That'll do it. There's a lot of ants on there, but. All right, obstacle number 1. Number 2. Number 3. This is a terrible number 4. We need something better. This one. I better not hit this one. It's gonna make a mess. Right. So the aim is to weave in and out of these and see what happens. You're gonna see a lot of body roll. That's my guess, actually. It's not gonna be fun, that's for sure. That wasn't too bad actually, better than I expected. So on-road driving, alright, except for taking off. With the clutch that I've got, it bunny hops a bit. Full driving, out of the question, that's terrible. especially if you get stuck. Accelerating in the dirt, axle tramp, no good. So there's a lot of reasons as to why you need a good quality shock. So I'm gonna baby this thing home. And come here. I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy, peace.